What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review, but it's a little bit different because I don't know what's in the box. I got a surprise package from a company that I know and love, and I'm excited to see what they've sent me. But before we jump into that, I'm going to say, if this is your first time to the channel, Plug and Play is dedicated to software and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright guys, so here it is, just as I said. This is a package. I don't know what's in this package at all. I'm super pumped though, because it's from a company, if you can see it here, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's from a company called Gamer Supps. Now if you don't know what Gamer Supps is, it's a supplement powder energy drink mix. I'm not being paid to say this by any means by anyone, but this is Gamer Supps so far has made the product that I am the most satisfied with. I absolutely love their products. Having a previous relationship with them, they sent me this awesome package. Like I said, I don't know what's in here. I have an idea of what could be in here based on some of the recent news that they've been putting out, but we don't know for sure. But we're gonna pop this guy open and let's see what we've got. Okay, yep, this is exactly what I thought. So this is exciting. They give out these free samples, and you can actually get these if you go to their website. You can actually get free samples just like this. But they've got sample packs of the blue acai, which is awesome. It's a great flavor. We've got the OP orange, which is delicious, and then one of my favorites is the dragon fruit punch, because that is any pink flavor. So strawberry. They have another flavor which is strawberry. Strawberry burst is probably my favorite flavor of all of them. This though, this could possibly change that. Now I am a huge apple flavor fan, and this guy right here is the green apple flavor from Gamer Supps. They gave me a bottle or a jar of the green apple Gamer Supps flavor, which is exciting. So that's what we're actually going to be doing a review on here in just a few minutes. So let's put that guy over here. 2 limited edition shaker bottles, a whole bunch of free samples, which is great, and the key to it all, the jar of green apple Gamer Supps. Man, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm excited to check this out. So let's jump right over and mix this guy up, and we'll give it a taste test. Alright guys, so now we've got it mixed and it's ready to rock and roll. I'm digging the color. Obviously it's green apple that's designed. It smells like green apple. It smells like a green apple Jolly Rancher. You know, the nice thing about, I'm gonna say about Gamer Supps is that it's not a milky consistency. Some of the other major brands that you can find of this type of nootropic energy drink, gamer kind of mix, a lot of them have a kind of a milky, there's a lot of powder. All it takes is 2 of the tiny little scoopers for a whole cup of water. So, you know, when you look at it in comparison, you have 2 little scoops of Gamer Supps in comparison to some of these other things that have, you know, a pretty big scooper or a large pouch, you know, if you're doing the single serve kind of things. Like when you look at some of these little packs that they send you, it's so thin, and there's barely any powder in here. It's, you know, it's amazing that they can give you that much energy in such a small amount of product, and that's personally one of the reasons why I like it. Right, there's a lot of less material. The less material that I can get into my body, the better. When you're looking in comparison, if you're getting a ton of flavor, you're getting a ton of energy, and you can keep the amount of material that's getting put into your drink, that in my book is a win. And so that's one of the reasons why I love Gamer Supps. So, I mean, I don't even know why I really have to explain what it tastes like. It tastes like a green apple Jolly Rancher. The great thing about Gamer Supps and this flavor is the same way. There's no aftertaste. One of the things that you'll usually find though is sometimes there's a metallic-y or mineral-y or vitamin-y aftertaste or a chalky kind of aftertaste in your mouth. Gamer Supps doesn't have that. That is one more reason why I like this over some of the other competing products, and the green apple is on the same track here. Not too sweet, not overbearing. It's not sour, which is good. It's not a sour apple flavor. It's very mild. They don't go overly sweet. It's not overly sugary. And then once you're done drinking it, there's no aftertaste and it's kind of gone. So this for me is a huge win. Very, very excited about this flavor. Thank you, Gamer Supps, for sending it to me. I appreciate it. Again, guys, this is not promoted in any way. They just sent me a package because we've done some stuff in the past before, and so I just wanted to give it an honest review. And I honestly, if you're a green apple fan, if you like that flavor, if you like that taste, this is a great choice for you. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way or anything like that, so if you use the link, it's not going to support me. It's literally me just sending you to a product that I absolutely love. Green apple is a win in my book, so definitely give it a try. Gamer Supps, link is in the description below, so check it out. But other than that, guys, that is the unboxing and the review for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. But other than that, guys, I'll see you next time. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to check out the other videos that are popping up right over here, as well as don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.